Hello everyone, Halo Reach Revere here, slash Stay Puft Yager. That's what it is right now. Anyways, I have a unboxing today from BBTS, so let's get this opened and see what's inside. Terrible quality, begin. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, there you go, nice. Side number 1 is open, side number 2 is open. Time to cut through the middle. I'll let you look at that for now. So it's, happen. There you go. Terrible unboxing begin. Get up on top. Okay. Alright, so there goes the middle. There we are. Alright, here we go. See what's inside here. Bubble wrap. So, that's probably all I ordered was bubble wrap. Alright, so we have some damaged packaging. Some not damaged. Pacific Rim figures. Look at that nice packaging. I like that. This is actually pretty big. There's Knife Head. Knife Head. Got Gypsy Danger. It's cool. It's got the cool concept art down there, like that. Some nice damage paint job I can just see right there. Yep, that's nice. And then we have Crimson Typhoon. Who doesn't want to look at me right now? It doesn't look like any damage right there, though. Sweet. So you can expect reviews on these soon. So I have the whole first series. And that's it for this unboxing.